Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to shoot now. Open the camera app and enable grid lines, then activate HDR so highlights and shadows stay balanced. Once done, pick the lens you need, wide for scenes, tele for subjects, and tap to set focus where you want it. Make sure to lock exposure or use AE/AF lock if available so the frame doesn't readjust mid-shot. Take a quick test photo and check overall brightness and composition before moving to manual controls. Now refine exposure and focus. Tap the subject to set focus and slide the exposure control to brighten or darken the scene, because correct exposure preserves detail. Next, switch to Pro or Manual mode to set ISO low for cleaner images, choose shutter speed to control motion, and pick a white balance preset or Kelvin value so colors render accurately. Once you've set parameters, stabilize the phone for slow shutter shots and take a bracketed series if lighting is tricky. Finish by enabling RAW if you plan to edit. That retains more detail, while JPEG remains good for quick sharing. Review each photo's histogram to make sure you aren't clipping highlights or crushing shadows. Adjust ISO or shutter speed accordingly. If images are soft, first wipe the lens, then test autofocus on a high contrast area. If problems persist, force close the camera app or restart the phone. Remember, steady hands, correct exposure, and RAW give you the best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.